In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to switch or how to change the Apple ID or Apple account on your iPhone. So if you want to switch your Apple ID to a different Apple ID on your iPhone, simply go into settings and you want to tap on your Apple ID name at the top there, and that opens your Apple ID or Apple account details page. Now from here, what you want to do is sign out. But before you sign out, you might want to ensure that you back up all your data. So just go to iCloud and then go to iCloud backup and then back up your data. So you can tap on backup now and it's going to prepare and back up all your data. Now, once you back up all your data, at least you're sure when you sign back into this account, all your data will be available for you. Now, once you do that, you can now go back to this page and then go ahead and sign out of your Apple ID. It's going to ask for your password, obviously, so enter that. And then tap on turn off the top right corner. And then you should be signed out of your Apple account. Now, again, it's going to ask you if you want to keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. So you can choose what data you want retained on the iPhone. But since I don't want any data retained, I just select sign out and confirm I want to sign out of my Apple ID. So it's currently removing all the iCloud data that was synced onto the iPhone. And then it's going to sign me out. So as you can see, it no longer shows my name here on the main settings page. It just shows Apple account. So that's the first step, is to remove the current Apple ID. So now tap on that again, and then now you can sign in with a different Apple account or Apple ID that you want to change to. So you can either sign in manually using a username and password, or you can use another Apple device, bring it close here and use that to sign in. So I'm just gonna go for sign in manually because this can work for everybody. I'll tap on that, and then now I'll enter the Apple ID details of the account I want to switch to. So put in the email address or username and then hit continue, and then put in the password and then tap on done. And as you can see, I'm now being signed in to a different Apple ID. So that is basically how to switch or how to change Apple IDs on your iPhone. Now, you can only have one Apple ID per iPhone. So there's really no way of having both of them signed in and just switching between the two of them. Enter your iPhone's passcode. And you should be signed in. Of course, there are a couple of permissions you have to give or deny. And you are good to go. So now you can see we have a different Apple ID on this particular iPhone. So that is basically how you can change your Apple ID. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.